So I have something very different to show you today, a simple recycled sketchbook. So these are from Blinkit bags, which are wonderful because they always have doodles that reflect the season. For example, now it's all Christmas theme, and I've taken the handles to make a handle for my sketchbook. And if you look at it, these are just papers that are cut into the same size. Obviously the part with the handle has to be your front and back cover, and then you can carry these around to sketch or doodle anything, or even write small notes. You can use this for your children for their practice books, and it's a great use of paper which we all usually throw. These are all the sketches that I have done while traveling in the metro and in between in restaurants and other places. These are very simple plain A4 sheet papers that I have got from the local stationery store. These I have added into the middle for some white background sketches to give a relief to the brown background. And these are very cheap papers, so they leave me free to experiment. They're not very expensive, so I can draw and doodle anything. So as you can see, these are just more like gesture sketches with ideas that I can develop into illustrations later. They all have some stories written into them as well. And then if you see here, I've been following an artist called Nishan Jain, who's well known as Sneaky Artist, and I've been trying to learn from his doodling style, which he does as an urban sketcher. And there's a similar artist called Julio, who is also, I have a book written by him, so I'm using these sketches to practice. And this is a great book to practice because it's just my very affordable recycled practice sketchbook, so I can use in any way I want. And making these are very easy as well. You just cut them into a simple shape and you stitch it in the center, or if you have a big stapler, you staple it in the center. And then there are small places like which can flip open, so you can use these creatively to draw different things that flip open. I still haven't drawn, but I'm planning to do something that spreads like this, and then when you flip it, it changes color, like maybe a tree that goes from black and white to color or something like that. And then of course, as I said, the handles make it super cute and easy to carry. These are some different size papers that I have cut and kept ready. So once I have about one more bag and some more papers, I will add it all in together and create another sketchbook. So I hope for 2026, when you plan your new sketchbooks, you make some recycled ones as well to add into your haul. Thank you.